Hey guys, welcome back to the shack, and I'm gonna tell you, y'all thought you'd seen it all when you saw ROTARY-ZILLA, but ROTARY-ZILLA has recently got an upgrade, and I've been waiting on this thing. I've been wanting to try it, and it has finally arrived, and it is much bigger than I had anticipated. Guys, meet the new Atezr Rotary, which is a ROTARY-ZILLA. This thing is massive. It's probably clocking in at close to 5 pounds, which is going to mean that it'll hold some really big things and it'll twist those guys for me where I can engrave them. Now, I just got this thing out of the box. Just got it put together, okay? Not a lot of assembly, but it comes with the roller too. This roller is an open-ended roller, so I can do longer items. It doesn't have anything on the end there. I'm really looking forward to that. This setup with the chuck actually comes with this little guy here. We've got a suction cup that attaches to the roller or to the chuck, and it uses a dovetail. These guys are using dovetails a lot. So it uses a dovetail and it attaches here. So not only do you have the chuck, but if you're doing, tumblers or something like that, you've got this little suction cup that you can attach to the other end just to make sure that there's not too much weight on the chuck. I like that. And for the rotary, for the roller, you get this little guy that has 4 wheels on it, and it goes with this. It is adjustable. So guys, I'm really looking forward to this. I do have an order that somebody put in for some tumblers for a wedding, and I've been waiting for this guy to show up and, using the mechanical bed in the Atezr to be able to let that bed down, engrave the tumblers without the legs having to be added to the machine. That is going to be a game changer for me, guys. I'm so used to having to add legs to engrave tumblers. Not anymore. So for now, I've got to do some research, and I've got to learn how to use this thing, because the possibilities, guys, the possibilities are going to be endless. Check this out. I don't know how many rotaries can do this, but check that out. That is 180-degree rotation. So, and like I said, with the weight of this thing, and as much as it weighs, I can't wait. Just can't wait. So there it is, guys. Atezr's new chuck rotary combo, and it is just big enough to look awesome inside ROTARY-ZILLA. So I'm really happy to be able to try this thing out. I never got to experience a chuck, but I do know that it came with multiple teeth, and I've got these set in all the way into the middle. And look what a reach. And that's with the teeth all the way to the middle, guys. This thing is just enormous. And I'm guessing it's going to be Chuck-zilla. So, or we can just call it Chuck. Big Chuck. But anyway, guys, stay tuned, and we'll be making some tumblers here pretty soon. I know a lot of you guys have asked questions about doing the tumblers with the 20 watts. I've been putting that off because my old school rotaries just weren't cutting it, but Atezr has hooked me up with this guy, and we're going to be turning out some tumblers here soon enough. So until next time, guys, stay safe and have a good day.